Welcome back to another installment of Uncle Mike's Woodshop. I'm Uncle Mike. My partner in crime is Papa Greg. He does the camera work and edits the videos. It's all around good guy, my best friend. So today, we're going to be changing the bearings on my 3520 powermatic wood lathe. And I already got it disassembled. It's the first time I've changed the bearings on this lathe. My previous lathe, I've changed them a couple times. A little bit different. Not hard, you can do it yourself. So the tools you're going to need is you're going to need some hex wrenches, a 3mm or 4mm, rubber faced hammer, pair of pliers or spanner wrench, whatever we got handy, a file, some 600 to 2000 grit sandpaper, and a couple dowels because yeah, it takes a little force sometimes to get this done. So, first thing you're going to do is, this is your shaft. You're going to take your hand wheel off the back. It's just 2 Allen screws. And in my case, you got to pull it off pretty hard because everything was super tight on the shaft. Next, you're going to take off your nut. And there's a washer. One of the tabs was down, so I had to pry that up. And then after that, that holds in your bearing, your rear bearing, that's seated in the back of your lathe. And then you're going to take off your speed indicator, just so you can get a little more access in here and see what you're doing. And then next, you're going to tap this out a little bit so you can get clear the bearing. And you're going to take off your lock nuts and your speed indicator nut. It's just 2 Allen wrenches, screws. And that should come off once you pull this out a little bit. Now, what happened to me was I went to take my pulley off, and it's 2 Allen grub screws. And this was stuck on my shaft. So I really had to bang it to get it off the shaft, which took a lot of effort, a couple different size dowels, but we got it done in the end. So basically, once you get that off, all you have left is 2 bearings and a washer. And then you should use a bearing puller to get them off, or take them to your local machine shop mechanic. Or you can just do what I did, is full send and just bang them off. Which probably isn't the best way to do it, but I did it. And then after that, I cleaned up my shaft. I sanded the grub screw marks down so they don't be rigid. I filed down the sharp edges on this. I sanded this to the point where I can get this on now. With a little finessing. Before, that wouldn't move at all. I had to bang it completely off. But now it seems to work good. A little more cleaning to do on the inside of the lathe, and then I'm going to put this all back together and put it on the inside. So far, so good. All right.
You're only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like, a shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start.